Hey guys, myself here. Welcome back to the channel. And as we continue unboxing every single iPhone today with every single color here on the channel, today we're taking a look at the iPhone 13 mini in the brand new Starlight color. This is a very interesting color, very requested one. So let's go ahead and unbox this one for you guys. Now, before we continue, I do want to give a quick shout out to Grid Studios. They send out this beautiful piece of an iPhone 4S. To me, this is art. They do this with iPhones, with Apple Watch, they do it with handheld Game Boys, and I think they do such an amazing job. This is great if you're a tech enthusiast. It's just, to me, as I mentioned, art. It looks very nice, especially to hang it on your wall for a studio or just simply to show it off. It is an amazing detailed piece of art that they sent to me, and I wanted to quickly give them a quick shout out in form of appreciation because I think they did a fantastic job. So you can check them out. I'll place a link in the description if you guys would like to check that out. Now, let's go ahead and open this iPhone 13 mini as per usual. No plastic anymore on Apple iPhone boxes. We simply pull on the tabs here and we get into the iPhone rather easily. All we have to do now is let the iPhone out of the box just like so. The iPhone 13 mini is such a small device. Very interesting color, as I mentioned. This is the mini in the Starlight color. Take a look at that color right there, guys. It almost looks like a gold slash rose gold, if you will. It's hard to tell what Apple calls as Starlight. To me, is a very, very interesting color indeed. I really like it, honestly, especially under direct light. It looks very, very nice. Let's remove the plastic here. And of course, inside of the box, just the usual stuff, the charging cable, instructions, an Apple sticker, nothing much going on there. Let's go ahead and power it up. Now, this iPhone also received the brand new notch. Of course, we have the speaker on the top right there, the earpiece. For phone calls, the notch is smaller. It's very, very light, very compact design. As you can see from the video here, you see that the camera module looks very, very big because this iPhone is so tiny. Of course, the new camera system is on this iPhone as well. Here we go. Let's go ahead and set this one up and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. The iPhone 13 mini is all set up in that color, the Starlight color, almost a champagne color, looks truly amazing. You know, I sort of wish that Apple would have added these colors to the Pro iPhones as well. So this is the pink iPhone 13, but they did not add these colors to the Pro models. The Pro models have different colors. Obviously, we have the blue that's new, the Sierra blue. I have that video up right now if you want to go ahead and check it out. Let's take a look here at the iPhone 13 mini. Let's take a look at the About section, and there it is, the latest build number. Once again, 19A341 as previous unboxing. The iPhone 13 lineup has a different build number than that of the other iPhones, previous iPhones, iPhone 12 and so forth. So right here, let's take a look at the wallpapers. There's some new wallpapers available. Same as iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini share the same wallpapers, as you can see right here. This one looks stunning. This one right here is a bluish green color with a little bit of pink as well. I like the colors of these new wallpapers. As I mentioned before, Apple does a fantastic job at some of these wallpapers that you see right here. And this one also shares the same camera system as the iPhone 13. As you can see right here, same setup, same everything, pretty much just in a smaller form factor here. So a lot of the upgrades here in regards to camera performance, the Apple A15 is on board, the new notch is available, and this one actually feels lighter than last year's iPhone 13 or iPhone 12 mini rather. This year's 13 mini feels a little lighter than last year. Let me know what you think about this device in the comments down below. Do you use the iPhone mini at all, the 12 or the 13? What do you think about this new color or all the iPhones? Did you pick one up? I would like to hear from you in those comments down below. Which one did you get if you did upgrade? Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.